Yeah.
Largest auction we've ever had on between midnight and noon, I believe.
Ben, worth it.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
So I was cleaning out this sippy cup, and Ben, does this bug you?
Why would you do that?
I can't modulate it. The site volunteers were trying to figure out if I could do Jurassic Park. It's challenging.
Work the embouchure, Graham. Work the embouchure.
It's tough.
Yes!
I can't go deeper. I could do the MASH theme, maybe.
Can you play Let It Go?
To go deeper, make a...
Alright, everyone's out here.
Dance to this English version for 10 minutes. And I refuse to turn it off. Remember who did this to you?
I'm tapping out.
Graham Stark.
Buzzing a handbag, yours, only yours. Forrest Tickle dance, dance is so large. Lisa in the crowd says, well, anyhow, it's caramel dancing.
You're all weak.
Woo!
And then there were 3.
Sing a handbag, yours, only yours. Walrus tickle dance, dance is Snow White. Lisa in the crowd says, anyhow, it's caramel dancing.
Keep killing that. Burns in so many places.
Nope.
It's no lie, Lisa in the crowd says, anyhow, it's caramel dancing.
Together.
So dance on your balls, cat buzzing a handbag, yours, only yours. Walrus tickle dance, dance, it's no lie. Lisa in the house says, anyhow, it's caramel dancing.
I feel that one on the floor.
I'd rather do 50 push-ups.
Oh, right,
you,
yeah, let's do that. Yeah.
Is that your revenge?
That was worth it.
All right.
I'll take whatever you got.
It's actually really nice down here.
Don't put that